Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that now the North Korean hacker group, Lazarus group, attacking OKX after Bybit. Then also let's talk about the things what will happen this week. For example, the FOMC meeting and what could theoretically happen. Then let's look at the two new other altcoins, what Donald Trump's company, World Liberty Financial, it's adding to its portfolio. Gold has reached a new all-time high with above 3,000 US dollar per ounce, and we have actually ton price surges as Pavel Durov recovers passport from French authorities, so he's kind of free to travel now. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. And for start, as always, let's have a look at the prices. Let me share the screen, and we can see that Bitcoin is actually tiny, a little bit up in the last 24 hours, almost nothing, 0.2%. With that, 83,158 US dollar. Ethereum 0.3 up, sorry, 0.7. With that, 1,902 US dollar. The big gainers, Pancake Swap in the top 100 going up with 35%, BNX token 34%, and CRO up almost 7%. Altman is down, P is down now 7.5%, Celestia 4%, and Caspa 4%. So no major move towards the upside, no major move to the downside. We kind of doing like a sideways thing. And well, let's move on to the Bitcoin. This is gold. Yeah, I'm going to talk about gold again in a second. So, well, as you can see, guys, we are still under the 200-day moving average. And, well, until we under this, you know, it's not bullish. And obviously, as you can see, that we have a decreasing volume as well. However, Bitcoin is holding itself pretty well, to be honest with you, around 83,000 US dollar. But, you know, with this kind of tariffs, what we have right now, the market is really uncertain. When you're looking at, for example, you know, Nasdaq, you can see, you know, Nasdaq is also down. When we're looking at S&P 500, you know, it's also down. So now the whole situation is pushed down by the macro things, and now we're waiting what's going to happen with the tariffs. Sooner or later we will get over this, and obviously we waiting for the Fed when they're going to actually decrease the interest rate, because that could be another booster for the market. But so far, it doesn't look like they're going to do it this week, because this week is the FOMC meeting. I'm going to talk about that in a second. But, you know, as I posted here on X, why I'm actually bullish, because, you know, most people have a one-year mindset. People who are arriving to crypto would like to be rich very quick. But to be honest with you, in my opinion, this is simply not working. I'm here for years, and what I have experienced, what I have seen, this is not how the majority is doing. But actually, whales and institutions have a 10-year mindset. And that's a totally different one. They're not in the hurry. They, you know, they move totally differently. And because they're not rushing, they're not FOMO, they're not FUD, you know, these kind of things, because they think professionally, you know, their portfolio is gaining bull market by bull market, and so on and so forth. But many retail investors jump in, they actually ending the bull market with less capital they entered. So actually, this is crazy. Think in long term. This is what I would say. And okay, now let's move on to Lazarus' next move, attacking this time OKX. So Lazarus, which is the North Korean hacker group, now attacking OKX. So OKX suspends DAX aggregator to stop further misuse by Lazarus. So recently they said we detected a coordinated effort by Lazarus Group to misuse our DeFi service. This is what they said today on the 17th of March. They also added that crypto wallet service remain available to all customers, but it will pose new wallet creation in select markets during this time. So, Lazarus Group is the one which is kind of attacking all the big guys here. Bybit was the recent one. And it's crazy. They actually now hold $1 billion in Bitcoin, primarily tied to the Bybit hack. Look at this here. So I don't know. This is the way for North Korean to set up their strategic Bitcoin reserve, or I don't know. But yeah, they keep attacking. What they're doing, and yes, some of the funds really, until it is on the blockchain, it's right now in Bitcoin. They cannot really do anything with it right now. It's not moving. They're usually the ones which are holding it for a while. But, they have 13,518 Bitcoin. And this one is also now kind of, frozen in the way that they cannot really use it. They cannot send it to an exchange and so on and so forth. But yeah. We see the address and we can see what they're holding so far from these attacks. This one from the recent Bybit attack. Okay, let's talking about the FOMC meeting, which is going to happen actually this week. So here's the time for the next FOMC meeting, but to be honest with you, almost no hope for rate cuts. 99% is saying there will not be any rate cuts this week, which will be on the 19th of March, so on Wednesday. And for the next FOMC meeting, at least there is like about 24% chance for rate cut. And for the June one, it's about 70% chance for rate cut. So it's pretty high for June now. But let's see which direction we're going, what's going to happen with the next, inflation data and so on and so forth, which is coming out, April, the March one. Because what probably Jerome Powell going to say now, it will be a nothing burger. This is what I believe. But also you can see a lot of outflows from the Bitcoin spot ETFs. Hundreds of millions of dollars just coming out recently. They panicking in the same way how actually the retail is panicking. And on the other hand, when you're looking at stablecoin market cap is just continuously increasing. But this is actually a good sign because, one thing is that people moving their, volatile assets to stablecoins, but they're not leaving crypto. And that's important because, if that would decrease, that would could also mean that they investing somewhere else. No, they just waiting at the sidelines. And this is actually bullish if they accumulating now stable coins to make their move when the time has come. By the way, Donald Trump's company keep adding altcoins to their portfolio. Recently now AVAX and Mantle. So World Liberty Financial, which is Donald Trump's crypto company, it's keep adding altcoins. And recently, for $4 million AVAX and Mantle was added. And here you can see their portfolio. So as you can see, they have the major holdings in Ethereum, then wrapped Bitcoin, then they have Tron, Link, Ava, and so on and so forth. And now the two new ones, for each $2 million was added on these prices. It's Mantle and AVAX. So with all this together, they own 11 crypto assets. It looks like they just keep accumulating, but they kind of down, and we're looking at in their portfolio. So their portfolio, altogether they put $343 million in. And at the present, they're holding 224 and the rest million dollars. So it's $118 million down recently, but they keep adding. So we'll see what's going to happen with this one. Yeah, it's just about the same thing. Right, okay, let's move on to the next topic. And the next topic is gold price. Gold price, on the other hand, has reached a new all-time high above 3,000 US dollar per ounce. So gold price is going up. Actually, the best way would be to show it here because it makes it, yeah, okay. So look at this one. Gold, since the 1st of January, went up almost 15%, more than 40%. So gold is doing pretty well. On the other hand, when you're looking at Bitcoin, so again, just from here, the 1st of January, then it's down about 12% at the present price, roughly speaking. So gold has performed much better in Q1 so far, but I do believe that Bitcoin is going to catch up. However, now gold has reached a new historical record, and that one is actually 3,000 US dollar. It was just above 3,000 US dollar, so it's definitely a milestone for gold. Right, and now let's talk about the final topic. It's all about why ton price went up 20%, and it's because Powell, the news about Powell Durov. Well, ton's price surged 20% as Telegram's founder Powell Durov recovers passport from French authority. And basically, with this, Ton founder sees this as a win for free speech and digital privacy. And now he's allowed to travel freely. So this, I think it was very important for him. Well, it has nothing to do with actually Ton's price, with Ton Foundation in a way. It's just the news that he can travel freely, but good news, which is related to this project, and therefore the price went up recently, which, it's very nice because nowadays we don't have these kind of price increases. So finally, at least something for a while, it's going up. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button if you like this kind of content, of course, and see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.